Hi, and welcome to our video on how to get your credit limit increased with Navy Federal Credit Union. In this video, we'll be discussing why having a higher credit limit is beneficial, how to understand your current credit situation, the different ways to request a credit limit increase with Navy Federal, alternatives to consider if you're not eligible for an increase, and how to maintain good credit habits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice. So, let's get started. Understand your current credit situation. Before you apply for a credit limit increase with Navy Federal, it's important to understand your current credit situation. Your credit score is determined by several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and credit mix. To check your credit score, you can use free services like Credit Karma or request a free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Once you have this information, you can determine whether you're eligible for a credit limit increase or if there are areas you need to improve. Know your options for requesting a credit limit increase. Knowing your options for requesting a credit limit increase with Navy Federal is essential to make an informed decision. One of the options available is to apply through the Navy Federal app. This option may help you avoid a credit hard inquiry, which can potentially impact your credit score. Apart from the app, there are two other ways to apply for a credit limit increase with Navy Federal: online and by phone. To apply online, log into your Navy Federal account and click on the Request a Credit Limit Increase link. Follow the prompts to complete the application. If you prefer to apply by phone, you can call the number on the back of your credit card and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. If you'd like to apply in person, you can visit a Navy Federal branch and speak with a representative. Once you've applied for a credit limit increase, Navy Federal will review your credit score, payment history, and other factors to determine your eligibility. If you're approved, you will receive a new credit limit, and your credit score may improve as a result. If you're not approved, Navy Federal will notify you of the reasons why and provide suggestions on how to improve your credit standing. Overall, knowing your options for requesting a credit limit increase with Navy Federal and understanding the potential impact on your credit score can help you make an informed decision that's best for your financial situation. Timing your request. Timing is an important factor to consider when requesting a credit limit increase with Navy Federal. It's a good idea to wait at least 6 months between credit limit increase requests to give yourself time to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Additionally, if you've recently made a large purchase or your credit utilization rate is high, it may be best to wait until you've paid off your balances before requesting a credit limit increase. By timing your request strategically, you can increase your chances of approval. Consider other options. If you're not eligible for a credit limit increase with Navy Federal, or if you're looking for other options, there are a few things you can try. One option is to apply for a new credit card with a higher credit limit. When you apply for a new credit card, you will receive a new credit limit, and your credit utilization rate may decrease, which can improve your credit score. However, keep in mind that applying for a new credit card can temporarily lower your credit score due to the hard inquiry that comes with the application process. Another option is to consider a personal loan. A personal loan can provide a lump sum of money that you can use to pay off high-interest debts or make a large purchase. Personal loans typically have fixed interest rates and fixed repayment terms, which can make them easier to manage than credit card debt. Just keep in mind that taking out a personal loan will result in a hard inquiry on your credit report and could temporarily lower your credit score. Maintain good credit habits. Once you've received a credit limit increase or obtained new credit, it's important to maintain good credit habits. This means continuing to pay your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. By maintaining good credit habits, you can continue to improve your credit score and increase your chances of being approved for future credit limit increases. One way to maintain good credit habits is to set up automatic payments for your bills. This ensures that you never miss a payment and helps you avoid late fees or negative marks on your credit report. You can also set up text or email alerts to remind you of upcoming payment due dates. Another good habit to maintain is to keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization rate is the amount of credit you're currently using compared to the amount of credit you have available. Ideally, you want to keep this rate below 30%, as having a high credit utilization rate can negatively impact your credit score. To keep your credit utilization rate low, try to pay off your credit card balances in full each month and avoid using your credit card for large purchases unless you can pay them off quickly. Understanding the risks. It's important to understand the risks associated with getting a credit limit increase. A higher credit limit can give you more financial flexibility, but it can also tempt you to spend more than you can afford. Additionally, if you're unable to pay off your credit card balances, a higher credit limit can result in even more debt and financial stress. You can make informed decisions about your financial future if you understand the risks associated with increasing your credit limit. Knowing when to stop. Finally, while it's important to pursue a credit limit increase if it can help improve your financial situation, it's also important to know when to stop. If you've been denied a credit limit increase multiple times, it may be a sign that you need to focus on improving your credit standing before applying again. Additionally, if you're consistently carrying a high credit card balance or struggling to make payments, it may be best to focus on paying down your debt before requesting a credit limit increase. In conclusion, getting a credit limit increase with Navy Federal Credit Union can be a great way to improve your credit score and provide you with more financial flexibility. However, it's important to understand your current credit situation and consider all of your options before applying for a credit limit increase. Remember to maintain good credit habits, pay your bills on time, and keep your credit utilization low to continue building a strong credit history. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.